What's up, everybody? Welcome to the channel. So today we're gonna do a shave, and I've been dealing with a lot of different shaves, a lot of different razors. I don't even know what to get. So I was using these, old, or I guess the traditional product that everybody's using now, multi-blades. This is 3, but lately I've been getting little hair bumps, right? But I let my hair grow a little bit, and we're gonna try out this new stuff. It's gonna be the King Gillette. I haven't opened it yet, got it on Amazon. Double-edged safety razor, double-edged razor, and 5 platinum coated blades. So let's see how this goes. Also, what I'm using today is Art of Shaving Sandalwood Cream. Gonna be doing a pre-shave oil as well, and the aftershave balm. Here we go. We're gonna unpackage our blade. Strong tape. All right, see that? Nice little setup here. Ooh, has a nice weight to it, for real. That's a nice weight. And then our blades are down here. All right. King Gillette blade. Let's put it together. Right. It's just a little 3-part system. Top, put the blade in, drop that bottom piece. So it'll come out like this. Be very careful. And yeah, look at that. It's a nice weight. All right. So you always want to prep the skin. Right. First, get your oil. I've used Art of Shaving for years. I absolutely love it. Put a nice amount of oil in there. Go. You don't want to put too much because then it feels all cloggy and like you can't breathe. I'll put this in the description. Work that up. There we go. Nice weight. And I'm really not putting any pressure. Just letting it do its work. When you use these blades, you gotta kind of put it at a good angle. And you don't want to dig in. And just over time, I think we'll go with a second passing, but yeah. Be all quiet. A video with shaving. See how it looks. Pat your face. Definitely take it easy on your face, you know? Oh yeah. Close shave too. All right, let's put our shave. Couple pumps. Oh yeah, what do you guys think? No nicks, nothing. So if you got sensitive skin like I do, I have sensitive, oily skin. Obviously I'm Mexican, so I don't know if that well, it does kind of matter when you're picking out blades and aftershaves. I use no alcohol, so because that stuff breaks me out. But look at that. But yeah, definitely recommend the King Gillette double safety blade, and also you got to use the art of shaving. Products down there in the description. You guys click on the links, support. But thanks for tuning in. Next time.